Welcome to the Top 4 Earn channel.
Hey, what's up? In this video, I'll show you the easiest and most profitable gig you can start on Fiverr right now that doesn't require any technical skills on your part. I'm gonna show you something you can start if you're from anywhere in the world and you need money fast, how to start getting sales automatically, then fulfilling on those sales within 20 to 60 minutes, even if they want revisions. I'll show you how to quickly deliver a great product that people will be really happy buying from you and actually makes your Fiverr business grow and thrive. Now, if I show you all of this and you find a better and faster way to do things, when will you take action? Now, if you give me 5 minutes to share this with you, you can literally change your life right now. So don't go away and watch cat videos, all right? Just pay very close attention to what I'm gonna share with you. And I don't know if this is right for you or not, because I can't really tell you from a can of Spam. But I know that if you're the right person for this, you'll be making $20 an hour, and you can use that money to work from home, quit your job, travel the world, or just give you more time freedom. Spend time with your family or kids, your girlfriend, or just do whatever you want. All you need to do in this video right here, I want to guide you on how to do Fiverr, and pretty much the easiest way right now to make money on Fiverr if you have no skills, no experience, and you can do this starting today, all right? And the steps right here, there's literally a 3-step process I'm going to go through in this entire video, so you want to stick with me, all right? So step number one is going to be find an easy Fiverr gig to do. And why that's important is the more demand, the easier it is to sell despite of yourself. The less competition, the quicker you can make money, and not every gig on Fiverr can make you $20 per hour, obviously. And the key components is why we pick something that can easily be outsourced, what you can do if you have no skills at all, don't have much skills, and something you can get started with today. So at the end of the day, you can actually take action on this and start doing it. So the first step is find an easy Fiverr gig to do. So as you can see, we're on Fiverr.com right here. They have so many different ones. They even have new like album cover design, podcast cover art, and actually the new ones are pretty good to go into. But what I'm most interested in, and maybe you too if you have no skills, is video and animation, all right? And what you want to go into is actually intros and outros. We also have logo animation right here, but just go click on intros and outros and we're gonna check what pops up. Obviously, this is for YouTubers that have a cool intro animation that looks really awesome, that captures people's attention, and people want that, but obviously you're not gonna do any hand animation or anything like that. We're gonna jump into this guy, and he has 1,700 reviews, almost 5 stars, and he's a top rated seller, all right? The price of the basic package was just one outro, one intro is $25. The standard is $75, and the premium is $125. But as you can see right here, he has 10 orders in queue. So just imagine that this is just the basic package, which I promise you it's not just the basic package. It's probably standard, it's probably some of them premium. I mean, you're pretty smart people, I don't really need to put up a calculator, but that's $25. That's just waiting for him to get made right here. And do you know how long it's gonna take to fulfill those 10 orders? Literally a day, not even a day, to make more than $250. And what you can see right here is when we click on here, you can see that it's literally a dumb, simple little template that just paste your text, paste your logo, and I'm gonna animate it for you, you know? That's what a pre-mail style template is. Just like that. That might seem hard, but it's really, really simple, and I'm gonna show you that in just a second. I also found another guy that has over 15,000 reviews, 5 stars, and he also is a 2-level seller, all right? And as you can see, it's 2 intro animation plus 1 free bonus. Here is like 1 intro animation plus 3 free bonus, and then a premium, and it's 2-day delivery. But let me just show you what this is right now. As you can see, These are templates. It's not even something creative. It's just put directly into a template, a software, something that just makes these instantly. You take the logo from the owner and then plop it into the software, and that makes this. So now we've identified a really easy Fiverr gig to do, and I want to ask if you can see yourself making one of these and then start getting sales, just plugging a simple logo into a software and then just delivering that easily to whoever buys your gig. So now that we found an easy Fiverr gig, we need to get some sales. And why this is important is because you want to get reviews as fast as possible, and you want to increase your seller rank and reputation. And obviously you want to get sales because you want to make money, right? And I'm going to show you why we go outside of Fiverr to kickstart our store, why reviews, seller rank, and sales is very important, and how much you need to sell to make $200 per day or $20 an hour. So I'm here on intros and outros, and you might see right here that we sorted by recommended, and you see that this one has 200 reviews, this one 100, this one 48, but you're not going to see anybody that has 0 reviews until we scroll down right here. And here we have a rising talent, all right? And this is where you want to be. This is the way Fiverr actually showcases you in the beginning of your Fiverr journey. And obviously, the more reviews you have, the more people will buy, because usually people look at others to see what to do themselves, right? But you might be asking, like, the level 2 seller or level 3 seller or pro, what does that mean? So I've actually pulled up the level 1, level 2, level 3, and top rated to see what requirements you actually need to become a top rated seller. Also, what benefits you get from it. And when you start, you actually start out as a newbie, but the requirements to get level 1 is to complete at least 60 days as an active seller on Fiverr, complete 10 individual orders, earn at least $400, and maintain a 4.8 star rating over the course of 60 days, 90% response rate, and 90% order completion on delivery time, and all of this stuff. And the benefits are that you can actually get 10 active gigs, 4 gig extras, 10 gig multiples, send custom offers up to 5,000, and earning clearance 14 days. You get your money in 14 days. And here we have level 2. The requirements again is like 120 days, and you get more benefits. And level 3, which is a top rated seller, is 180 days as an active Fiverr seller, and the requirements is almost exactly the same. But as you can see in the bottom right here, it's gonna show up on the top a lot more frequently once you have these levels. But you might be asking, how can I even start pushing the snowball down the hill and actually make my first sale? Well, the first thing you need to do is to have a low price, giving away a lot. So you can see that this guy is charging $45, but what you want to do is you literally want to charge $5 for, let's say, 5 animations. Now that you have that gig, it's very easy for people to spend money with you. They also get 5 custom animations for $5. That's just like, whoa. If you're like a YouTuber, you'd be pretty stupid not to get that, right? So now that you have an irresistible offer that people really want, you go to a website called Quora.com, and you look at this guy eating a sausage like he's really sad. It looks so sad in this. What the fuck? He's not happy at all. Oh no, it's a cigar. Okay, well, don't smoke cigars, kids. Okay, don't worry about that. All you need to do is go in the top right here and then search for YouTube intro. And as you can see, how do I make a cool YouTube intro? Website to make a free YouTube intro. Who makes a great YouTube intro? You make a great YouTube intro. What are some creative YouTube intros? YouTube intro for free. And all these different people ask about how can I make they need a YouTube intro right now and they really want it. And what is $5 for 5 different YouTube intros? I would pick that up in a heartbeat if I had no YouTube intro at all. This is the first strategy you can do, but I recommend going straight to the source. And I searched on YouTube right here, Call of Duty. And as you can see, obviously these are going to have a lot of subscribers, 200, even 13 million right here. But what you want to do to find smaller YouTubers that might need your YouTube logo intro is to actually click on filter, and then you click on last hour. All right. So last hour, you're gonna find a lot of smaller YouTubers. So this one actually has 1.7K. This guy has 197. This one has 133 subscribers. This one 230. So all of these are smaller YouTubers, and obviously they really want a YouTube intro animation. So you can just comment here, say, hey, I sell 5 YouTube intro animations for $5. All you need to do is check out my link, and then you paste your Fiverr link to your gig. For bigger channels, those comments actually get hidden, but for smaller channels, they usually look at it. And also you can see the top right here, the notifications, they instantly get that comment in the notifications, and they might check it out and purchase for you. All right, I've seen a lot of comments like this on Fiverr with even intro animations, logos, and stuff like that. It's a very good strategy to get your first sales. So now we've gone through find an easy Fiverr gig to do. Step number 2, get some sales. And then step number 3 is obviously fulfill the order. And why this is important is because people are happy with the service you produce. That's the most important part, right? Because then you get repeat customers or referrals of more people that want to come into that. Also, you get reviews, right? And then you have the longevity of your store. You want to be doing this for a while and not think of this like a get rich quick scheme, and then I'm gonna just scam people and then just run away. You want to have the longevity, right? So the key components is exactly what software you can use to make the animations fast, how to easily fulfill the order in 60 minutes so you can make literally $20 per hour, and instantly make another if the buyer wants revisions. So sometimes they come to you and just like, I didn't like this. Well, instantly you're gonna have another logo animation. So the software I recommend for literally everyone that want to start this is called Videos. So with this, you can easily create any of these intro animations very quickly. All you need from them is literally their logo, and then you copy and paste their logo directly into the software. And as you can see, you can write it on the wall, but my favorites are these studio grade intros and logo strings. So as you can see, these are the kinds of logos, exactly like the other Fiverr gigs that had literally 15,000 reviews, you know? And this is just a showcase. There is actually a lot more inside, and I'm going to show you how to use it right now. So now I'm inside of Videos, and as you can see, they have a lot of different ones. They also have like transitions and lower thirds, like subscribe to my YouTube channel and stuff like that. But what we were most interested in is category, and then you can go to logo. As you can see, 383 different logos and animations that you can use over and over again for all your clients on Fiverr, exactly like the Fiverr gigs I showed you in just a couple of minutes ago. So if you hover over these, you can see that it pops up and then it turns into a blob, and then they reveal the logo. Never. There we go. That logo. Not really a fan of that one. This one. Here they have the logo animation. This logo animation. Whoa, that's pretty cool. They have this one. They have so many different ones, and you can literally just use these over and over again to provide to any of your customers that come to your store, like this one for example. And if they don't like it, you can instantly change it to any of the 300 ones. There are literally 26 pages right here. This one is probably pretty cool. I love stuff like that. So we're actually gonna click on customize right now, and then I'm gonna show you exactly how easy it is. So we're gonna click on customize this video, and then I'm gonna click on browse images to find my logo. So I actually uploaded my tube takeoff logo right here. You can actually change the colors too. So let's change it to red. Let's change this to orange, maybe a little orangey color, and then this color to, yeah, we're gonna keep it at blue. The next step, we're gonna see a live preview right here. So this is not the finished product. Whoa, they just show you the preview of how it will look like. Oh, I like that. So I'm just gonna create your video right now. So now I can download the video right here, and we can open it and see how it looks. Hey, that looks awesome. with sound effects and everything. So now I've shared with you exactly how to make a easy Fiverr gig that you can start today, how to create an irresistible offer you can easily get sales with and reviews to get to the top of Fiverr, and how to fulfill the orders in minutes with this amazing template software.